as I have personally lost 23 kgs myself, and I'll be putting up it all of it in a playlist separate for fitness. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about a habit and a topic that we always should always incorporate in our life, and we are not able to do it because of many certain reasons, and also because we don't like the taste of it. So today I'll be talking about how to increase the water amount in your daily life and how to take it in more better ways and how you cannot get bored with drinking water. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's just get into the video. So the first way is to add various kind of fruits and vegetables in your water. Yes, that brings you to make a detox water and add a lot of flavor in your water. So as a human, we have a tendency to drink water or drink things that have flavor in them, and water is kind of bland, so we don't really like drinking it. So adding different fruits like watermelon, apple, or any fruit that you like, or adding different like vegetables like cucumber, or adding salad things or lemon to your water will obviously give it a good flavor and it will help you to drink it more oftenly. So the second thing is switching your normal steel glasses or glass glasses to a really fancy glass or a bottle. So yeah, whenever we tend to see a beautiful thing, a thing that is appealing to us, we always get and take it. So whenever you will fill your water bottle, which is like looking beautiful or is fancy enough, you will definitely drink more water. This has helped me really lot. I have like many glasses, different kind of mugs and different kind of bottles in my house so that I keep on drinking water and don't miss out on it. The third point is also related to the glass point. Always keep a glass on your desk if you are at office. If you are at school, just keep a bottle around with you always. If you are at home, always keep a bottle or any jug or anything near to your place, because that helps you to like grab it up and drink the water as soon as you feel like. Because we have become lazy people all around, and this quarantine has also made us so lazy, we don't want to like get up and go take our water, drink it. So it's always better to keep it in a jug aside down your table or down anywhere where you are sitting, and that will definitely increase your water level, because what you will do is, you know, it's convenient to pick it up and drink it, and you will definitely drink it. So do try this trick and let me know. Now coming to the fourth point, we whenever we go to office, it gets heavy to put so many things in a bag, and putting a 1 liter water bottle filled with water is also another great deal we have to face. So what you can do is carry an empty bottle in your purse, and whenever you reach office, you will drink water from it. Just fill it up, and then you don't have to be like always carrying a heavy bottle in your bag. So always carry an empty bottle. So wherever you are, if you are on the road, also on the go, also we find a lot of people who are selling water. So just get your bottle filled right there, right then, and drink it up. So you don't have to face like you don't want to drink water or how can you drink water, and there are no reasons or no excuses anymore to not drink water. So now with drinking, so many problems arise, like taking so many restroom breaks, and we are half of the people don't drink water because of this reason, that they have to go to restroom so many times, and even in the middle of their traveling, they might have to use washroom. So what you can do is, always whenever you leave a place, your house, your office, or anywhere you are, just use the restroom right before that. So by traveling, you don't have to face that issue, and you will be able to drink more water often. So the sixth point is a really fun way to add more water to your body. It's making it a habit. So what we tend to do is, we open Instagram so much, we do so many things so much, whatever you like, just whenever you do that, also grab a glass of water and drink it. So whenever you log on to Instagram, whenever you log on to YouTube, whenever you log on to Netflix to watch something, or whenever you finish an episode, because we are binge watching it, so whenever you finish your episode or start an episode, just go and grab a glass of water and drink it. This will definitely increase your water intake and make it a fun, super way so you can enjoy drinking your water. So the seventh way to add water intake to your life is by always drinking water as soon as you wake up and before you go to bed. So we have the basic thing is to like drink 8 glasses of water per day. So what you can do is wake up and drink 2 glasses of water. So that will do a big deal. And whenever you go to sleep, just drink 2 more glasses of water. So half of the glasses of water are done by just doing these two things. This also helps in your metabolism and also helps in your digestive system. So whenever you wake, it removes toxins, and whenever you go to bed, the food you have had and whatever you have put into your body, that will get digested if you will drink water before going to bed. So yeah, do this habit also. Let's move on to the eighth habit. So eighth habit is like drinking water before you eat anything. So before you eat anything, just before 10 to 15 minutes of that, drink a glass of water. This will make you lose your weight also. How? It will curb your diet, it will curb your cravings, it will like make you feel fuller, and also in this way you are adding water to your body. So this is a really great way. Always drink water before you eat anything and not after that, because that is a negative thing. But drinking water before you eat anything, 5 to 10 minutes before, that's it. You will definitely feel so much positivity and you will definitely see your weight going down. So for the ninth habit, you don't really have to drink water, but eat a really lot of good things. That is like fruits and vegetables. So there are many fruits and vegetables in which the amount of water is really on a high level. Like watermelon has around 95 to 92% of water, I guess. And there is cucumber, there is pineapple, and there are so many fruits and vegetables that you can switch. Instead of water, instead of having water, you can switch to them. So do like incorporate fruits in your life. This way you will also eat fruit, and this way you don't have to always rely on the water. So the last way is to download apps which track your water intake, and this way you can always stay updated with your habit and always drink, because it reminds you that you have to drink water in every hour or every half an hour, whatever you put in that app. So I will link down, like I will put in some of the names of the apps in the description below, so you can check them out, which apps you can download. So those were the 10 habits that how you can increase your level of water intake. I hope you guys like this video, and there are many more videos I'm coming around for related to fitness, and I'm going to make a like separate playlist for it, so you can check anything you want to related to fitness. As I have personally lost 23 kgs myself, and I'll be putting up it all of it in a playlist separate for fitness. You can check it out there. Also, do like, subscribe, and hit share button on my channel, so you can share this video with your friends too. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.